Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you take back control of your mobile experience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove ads from Android so you can enjoy a cleaner and faster browsing experience without those annoying interruptions. So now let's get started. Step 1, go to the settings menu on your Android device. This is the main hub for all your phone's configurations, usually found by tapping the gear icon on your home screen or within the app drawer. Step 2, click on Network and Internet or More Connections to access your connectivity options. This section is where you manage your Wi-Fi and data connections, and it is the key to reaching the advanced privacy settings we need. Step 3, scroll down until you find the Private DNS option. This setting is important because it allows you to change how your phone handles web traffic, which is a powerful way to filter out unwanted content. Step 4, choose the private DNS provider hostname option from the list. Selecting this allows you to manually input a specific server address that will act as a filter for your entire device's internet connection. Step 5, enter dns.adguard.com into the text box and then click Save. By doing this, you are routing your traffic through a secure server that automatically blocks ads from appearing in your apps and web browsers. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.